Hey, Sonny, having a good time? Where's Mom and Tia Daisy? Came down to do some hiking. Have Jace's little car. Yeah, Daisy's joining us. And ready? You ready, Sonny?
Yeah, I'm ready. Spaghetti.
Let's go, Sonny. Oh no! Survived. Got a little nicks though. A few nicks. That'll be okay. Wow, look at the water. You see the water? Look. Wow. What's here now? Oh, wow. You want to go down there?
No.
Oh, no. Again. Here we go.
Give me the worst part.
You got this, Mom. Oh no, we're off-road now, Sonny. There's Mom and Tia Daisy. Say hi. Look at that. Off-road. Choo-choo, coming through. Wow, look at these rocks. Come on, can your car do it? Put in that four-wheel drive. We made it. Look, Sonny, look at that rock. Yay! Wow! 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 We made it! Some extreme off-roading. Here we go. That's the ocean, Sonny. Ocean. Ocean. Wow. Wow. That's fun, huh?
Good.
That's fun?
Good.
Rocks, huh?
Yeah.
After about 1 minute in the car, he's knocked out.